Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. Is your situation in the garage as bad as ours was? We had shoes everywhere. It was an explosion of mess. And of course, because when we mow lawn and the wind's blowing, the garage doors open, all the grass clippings and the cat hair would be all over the shoes. Not anymore. With the WEXCISE portable shoe rack organizer, you can fit 48 pairs of shoes, but even better than that, you can adjust the shelving for the height of your shoes. So boots are no problem. And I love that the doors keep them covered so that nothing can blow in and make a mess of the shoes. We do enough of that on our own, messing our own shoes up. We like being able to have them on the shelf with the door shut, no additional dirt or debris being added. I absolutely love this. This would also be perfect in a closet. It was not difficult to put together. Directions were pretty easy. I will say one thing you'll want to do. I highly recommend adding a step between 3 and 4 where you add the back pieces before moving on to the next layer. That might help you out. But if you have a garage situation in need of some organization, this shoe organizer has been amazing for our family. Look at the space it's cleared up for us in the garage. What a difference it's made. I feel like everyone needs one of these, but that's my point of view.